Every December, something changes in the air. The days feel softer, the nights sparkle a little brighter, and our hearts remember the joy of creating beauty together. Festival isn't just a season, it's a canvas, and we are the artists. It all begins that with boxes pulled down from the attic, with ribbons and ornaments waiting patiently for their moment to shine. Some pieces are new, others are worn with love, carrying years of memories in their paint and glitter. Before the first ornament hangs, there's an unspoken promise. This year we will fill our home with warmth, with laughter, with light. The first decoration is always the most special. Maybe it's wreath on the floor, a string of light over the mantel, or a single star at the top of the tree. It's the signal. The season has begun. From the moment, every corner of the room will slowly come alive. Decorating for Christmas is more than arranging pretty things. It's storytelling. Each ornament tells a piece of who we are. The handmade snowflake from a child's school perfect, the glass bauble passed down from the grandparents, the pine cone you picked up on a winter walk. It's not just about beauty, it's about connection. Light get tangles, ribbon twice the wrong way, glitter somehow ends up everywhere. But here's the truth. These little moments, of course, are part of the fun. They remind us that perfection isn't the label, the goal is joy. And sometimes the ornaments that don't match becomes the one we love the most. The tree sparkles like a piece of starlight in the living room. Candles flicker on the windowsill. The garland drapes softly across the fireplace. You step back for a moment. You just breathe it in. The magic you made with your own hands. Festival decorations are not just for us, they are for everyone who walks through the door. They say, "Welcome, you belong here." They remind us that beauty is something we share, not keep. And when the lights glow late into the night, they carry a silent message into the world that hope still shines even in the darkest winter. So this year, as you hang each ornament, wrap each ribbon, remember you are not just decorating a house, you are creating a feeling of wonder, of warmth, of home. Because long after the, the season ends, people may forget